Hello, my beautiful magical friends. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes, and today we're opening up one that's pretty new to the channel but quickly rising to the top as one of my favorites, and that is 9 of Earth. And this is called like their tarot or oracle box. I don't know, it's a 9 of Earth box. I think it has a longer name than that. But every month you get a tarot or oracle deck and all these other things that relate to the theme. Love that. I mean, I read tarot and I love this stuff, but I've been just loving this box, and I did peek to see what was inside this month, and I have used one of the items and I can't wait any longer to get this open to use the rest of it. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get this open. This is a monthly subscription. It is on the pricier side, around $50. All the information and the link will be down in the description box, and I do pay for this one myself, and I think it's worth it. You know, it's pricey, and I'm frugal these days because I was sick for a while networking and I kept this one. I had to let a lot go, but I couldn't let this one go, and I'm so happy I didn't because it's so good. The theme for January is past, present, and future. And in here we will get a description of all the items along with pricing, so you get a decent amount of stuff. And yeah, the item, let's just start off with what I have used. Of course it was the cards that came with it, and these are so interesting, and I use them with I guess a client. This wasn't a paid reading. It was kind of more like, I was like, oh, I just got this deck. We were just talking. I'm like, want to try it out? And it was so cool, the experience we had. But this is Uncover Your Past Life's Oracle. And I love how it comes like this. Easy storage, and it has a guidebook. I love when we get a guidebook, especially with something like this. So the book, there's a lot of information in here. It comes with I'm trying not to spill the cards everywhere. But you guys, this is, what is it, like $50 or something like that? Yeah, it's $55, so more than what you pay for the box, I believe. And that's typical for really good, more independent cards, tarot or oracle. But look, you get all this information here. It teaches you how to use it. But the cards themselves there's so much going on it on both sides. So the way you do it is you pull a card and it's whatever's on the top, or you can pull multiple cards and do what corner is touching. But it's so interesting. I'll just tell you really quick. I was talking to someone. I've done I know them, but I don't know much about them. I don't know them in real life. And I did a reading for them to see what their past life was, and it said that they in the early, I don't know what age, because it tells you the time period. I think it said early Middle Ages or something like that. I saw that they died in a forest fire, and I got some more information too. And it turned out that in this lifetime, one of their hobbies, they're a steelsmith, and they work with fire, and they say they worry about fire all the time. And we came to this conclusion it's probably a karmic life lesson or something. I'm trying to be really brief here, because I know not everyone on this channel is all about all that stuff. I have another channel, Kitty Outside the Box, where I do tarot readings and spirituality content. And then they're like, oh, I actually need a new fire extinguisher. I don't have one right now. And I was like, we're having this conversation for a reason. Don't repeat this life lesson again in the next one. Get that before you use any firework, because I don't know. I hope that made sense. But this is really cool. There's so many different things. There's so many cards in here. Let's just pull one. So this one says magic. So in a past life, one of you guys could have been a sorcerer or a sorceress. And then on the back, it says all these other information like love, identity, time frame, lesson, and death, location. So the lesson would be prophecy and gifts. So maybe you were a sorceress and you had all these gifts, and your lesson this lifetime is to use your gifts. Have you guys been considering doing some magic work in your life? If you're watching this video, maybe that's your calling. But it's just super cool. Again, I've only used this once. I just got it. But I think this is so perfect for past, present, future box. And it's so interesting. There's so much information on here. And they said you can use it in readings. If you're a tarot reader or personal, for your own readings and stuff. It doesn't have to be all past life. You can use this together, more information, a general reading even. So I have a lot more I have to do to play with this and learn and stuff. But it is so exciting to me and so different compared to any other oracle deck or any deck I have at all. So pumped about that. And I got an email. Their January box is an oracle. February box is an oracle that has to do with love and stuff, but they also have an anti-Valentine's Day bonus box I want to get. It's $35. If I can get the funds, I might buy that one in addition so I can open both at once. But do a lot of tarot readings, and clients love readings, so I'm really excited about that. Just a little sneak peek. But the next thing, I started to incorporate more into my readings, like more types of divination than oracle and tarot cards. And charms is when I've been starting to collect. There's a charm casting box here. This was made exclusively for 9 of Earth, and there's all these different charms in here. Yeah, I love that it comes in a box. Like, I could be like doing a reading or something. Well, I also could have these be like a part of my pick of cards, like lay them on top of the cards, but I just grabbed like a shoe and I can come up, depending on the reading, you know, that'll be meaning about something. Like maybe you're something that got walked all over. I don't know. But they say you should sit down with each of the charms. Like here's a pair of scissors. There's a boot. There's a heart, passport, a rent. There's so much stuff in here. A bee, a little like pacifier. Oh my god, but they say little card that has an ace of hearts on it, but there's so many in here, and you're supposed to like sit down and here's a diamond, like you kind of like just meditate with each and like have meaning. But for me, I'm an intuitive reader, so I feel like I could do that. I could like think about reading or meanings for all of them. I'm still gonna like meditate with them, but usually I'm an intuitive reader, and I mean I'm also classically being trained in tarot and stuff. But like I use my intuition like that, it would just come to me why we picked this and what it has to do with it. But I'm just so excited because I'm going to add my own charms I've been collecting in here too. Oh, one's a mermaid. So if you guys follow my other channel, if not, what are you waiting for? Linked below. You'll see these in the future. I'm so excited. Let me move my swigglies out. And then we have some incense here. Life incense. Magical, is that what it? No, lilac. Lilac incense. Ooh. Oh, it smells just like lilac. It smells really good. And then it talks about the magical properties, past life recall, anti-anxiety, good luck and prosperity, love, protection, purification, and warding off spirits. I'm really excited about all of this, you guys. I think I was for sure like a healer of sorts, like maybe even like I did something with like modern day pharmacy and medicine like back in some lifetime, I think. But I keep getting called in my spirit guides to look into my ancestry more so. So I'm doing like this is one of my every day I put on. I like to talk to my ancestors and my spirit guides, and I put this on. I'm like Irish or Celtic, and I love this. But anyways, I'm gonna look into it way more using this box. I'm so excited, and I feel like we have some stones in here. So yeah, I've been being called to look into that more. Like I know my general ancestry, like from Ireland, but you know that only goes back so far. So that's something I really want to look into. Oh my god, what a beautiful mix! I can tell right away there's Unakite. Can you guys see here? I'll just hold one up at a time. Sorry, I'm using like natural lighting. There's a light right above, but I don't know. But this is Unakite. Beautiful. The one I have, I kind of damage in water. Certain ones you shouldn't leave in water too long. I can't remember what I was doing, but I still use it. But this is so pretty. And then we have, what is this? I'm gonna have to look at the, is that emerald? Oh my god, yes, I only have raw emerald. Emerald's my birthstone, and I just love emerald. It's great for manifesting love and manifesting abundance, and like, it's just an amazing stone. Let's see what it says here. Well, Unakite, I hope you guys can see, if not. I know it's dark in here, I'm sorry. Most people know what emerald looks like, but this is beautiful. And then the last one is petrified wood. Cool. I would never have guessed that. I'm gonna read after showing you, I'll read the descriptions quick of each. My battery's dying right now. That's really cool. I don't have any petrified wood that I'm aware of. I mean, I don't have any. So Unakite is a stone of vision. It could be good for anyone feeling lost, overwhelmed, who has trouble being content in the moment. Yeah, it could push out old emotions. Yes. Bridge the gap between the past and the present, leading us to new opportunities. Oh, shit. Sorry. Oh, it's funny. I just hit something that has a moon on it. The emerald is an energizing manifestation crystal, powerful amplifier of life force, giving energy to our goals, claimed to increase intuition, and may predict future circumstances. Nice. And then petrified wood is a grounding stone, deeply connected to the power of earth. It's said to hold ancestral ancient wisdom, and thus can be beneficial for past life work. It can also ground you in the present, helping you to be here and now. I am so grateful to have all these in my collection. But before my camera dies, oh my god, we got some stickers. These are awesome. I love this kind of thing. Make it happen. I create my own reality. Yes. And then there's something in this little box. Oh, and it's like one of those little drawers. Oh my God, yes. Oh, I don't have my other one on, but this is similar to what I have to. Look at this. It's a snake. This symbolizes transformation, shedding the past, going forward with the new. I love this. And look, it has like a little thing so you could, it doesn't like matter what size ring you have, you can make this work for you. I love it so much. Those little crystals on it, I'm gonna cleanse it before I put it on. Even though I don't feel any bad energy when I'm touching any of these things, if you know what I mean, you know. Oh, my eternal transformation ring. What was I saying? $24.99. Snakes shed their skin several times per year, which is why they symbolize transformation, renewal, and rebirth. The way they coil is the eternal infinity symbol. It can represent your ever-evolving self. It is made with cubic zirconia stone set in 18-karat gold plated brass, adjustable size. I'm so happy. And then our last thing, I'm so worried the camera's gonna stop on me, but if it does, whatever, I'll just redo this video because I love it. This is a cloth. Oh my God, what? No way. It says past, present, future, guidance, love, home, family, career, money. Right away I thought I could use this with my dice divination, but what does it say about this? This is the before was the manifested planner. The planner stickers, but is this an extra? Oh, this goes with the charm casting kit, charm casting cloth mat. This is so cool. I'm gonna use this in so many different ways. Ideas are flooding in. If you guys have any other ideas, let me know. But you guys, I freaking love this box. All the things in here are very valuable to my self-improvement, my self-spiritual journey, and my journey of helping others through my spiritual gifts. So I'm so happy with this. You guys have to let me know what you think. Sorry if I'm like rushing this because my camera's dying. I'm also rushing this so I can freaking go and use this stuff, not gonna lie. But I loved it. Let me know what you think. Happy Witchy Wednesday, my witchy, magical, beautiful friends. I hope you're as excited about me about this. I am so pumped. I'm gonna go use all of this. I still haven't filmed my tarot video for today. I'm gonna do that later without Kitty outside the box. Or just stay here for the unboxings. I'll see you tomorrow. Either way. Maybe later today. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for being here. I hope you're all safe and healthy. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.